Heartbroken after 25 years in marriage, how Juliet can deal with the betrayal. Juliet has been married to Michael for 25 years, a partnership she believed was built on trust and shared dreams. Their kids are grown, and life seemed stable, until she discovered that Michael has been unfaithful, involved with a much younger lover. The betrayal has left her shattered, questioning everything she thought she knew. How does one rebuild after such a devastating blow? Hello, Juliet, and anyone else tuning in. My name is Hilary, and as a life coach, I'm here to have an honest and heartfelt conversation with you about a deeply painful and sensitive topic, dealing with infidelity or betrayal in a long-term relationship. Juliet, you're 50, and I imagine you've invested so many years of love, trust, and effort into your relationship. Betrayal can feel like the rug has been pulled out from under you. But let me assure you, while this journey may feel overwhelming, it can also be transformative. Let's talk about 10 practical and emotional steps to navigate this storm. The first and most important step is to let yourself feel the emotions that come with this situation. Juliet, it's okay to feel angry, hurt, sad, or even confused. Infidelity is a breach of trust, and it's natural to grieve what you thought you had. Don't suppress your emotions, instead, express them. Write in a journal, talk to a trusted friend, or even scream into a pillow if you need to. Validating your feelings is essential for healing. One of the most common traps after betrayal is self-blame. Questions like, was I not enough? Or did I do something wrong? Can haunt you. Let me be clear, someone else's choice to betray your trust is not a reflection of your worth. It's about their actions, their decisions, and their shortcomings. You are valuable, deserving of love and respect, and this betrayal does not define you. While emotions might be running high, it's important to pause and reflect on the bigger picture. Ask yourself questions like, what do I want moving forward? And what does this relationship mean to me now? Clarity doesn't come overnight, so give yourself grace and space to think without pressure. Juliet, this isn't a journey you need to face alone. Reach out to a counselor, therapist, or support group that specializes in betrayal or relationship trauma. A professional can provide guidance, tools, and a safe space to unpack the layers of pain and confusion. Talking to someone impartial can be incredibly liberating and enlightening. If you're considering working through the relationship, honest communication with your partner is vital. Ask for transparency and clarity about what happened. While these conversations can be uncomfortable, they're necessary for rebuilding trust. Remember to set boundaries about what you're willing to discuss and what's off limits for your emotional well-being. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is a personal decision. Some relationships emerge stronger from this process, while others reach their natural conclusion. Whatever you choose, let it align with your values and well-being. Take your time. There's no need to rush this decision. During this challenging time, it's easy to lose yourself in the whirlwind of emotions and decisions. Prioritize self-care by eating well, staying active, and getting enough rest. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace, whether that's walking in nature, listening to music, or practicing yoga. A strong sense of self will help you weather this storm. Infidelity can sometimes shake our sense of self-worth. Take this opportunity to reconnect with the person you were before the relationship. Explore new hobbies, pursue long-forgotten dreams, or invest in personal growth. Juliet, you are so much more than this moment of heartbreak. Rediscover your strength and independence. Whether you choose to repair the relationship or move on, start envisioning what you want for your future. What does happiness look like for you? What kind of relationships, activities, or experiences will bring fulfillment? Setting goals, even small ones, can help you reclaim a sense of control and direction. Forgiveness is not about condoning the betrayal, it's about releasing the hold it has on your emotions. This process takes time and should only happen when you're ready. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, allowing you to move forward without being weighed down by bitterness. Juliet, Betrayal is one of the hardest challenges to face, but it can also be a powerful catalyst for growth and self-discovery. You are stronger than you know, and this chapter does not define your entire story. Surround yourself with love, support, and positivity as you navigate this journey. Remember, you deserve happiness, respect, and peace. To anyone listening, if you're going through something similar, know that you're not alone. Take it one day at a time, and lean into the support systems around you. I'm Hilary, your life coach, and I'm here to remind you that brighter days are ahead. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward. You've got this.